Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will cover the digital whiteboard, a Microsoft product. To access the Microsoft whiteboard, you should write Microsoft whiteboard in the search bar. Search it and it will be populated at the top. Simply click on it and log in. You can also download the desktop version. If you are not going to download it and use it in the browser, simply click on sign in, and it is also free for the educators because I am already logged in, so my whiteboard is open and these are the different whiteboards which I have created and I used. So how we can use the whiteboard actually? Digital whiteboard is a Microsoft product for educators, for the school, especially for the COVID-19 pandemic. It is used in virtual classes to teach online, and it is online with MS Team. Once you create a whiteboard here and you share it, you can share it with your students in a real time and within a team. Either they have access to the whiteboard, they have account on the whiteboard or not, they can access this whiteboard and their teams, and they can write there as they use the whiteboard, as they write different things on the classroom whiteboard. The what mentioning thing about this digital board, as I already said, that it is a collaborative space. You just create it and share it with your learners, and your learners will be able to write on the whiteboard as the teacher writes on it. So after opening the application, you just click on the create new whiteboard, and so once you create a whiteboard will be open. Yes, this is a whiteboard. You can select a pen, any pen which you like. Okay, you can write anything, and which I have noticed about this is that if you are not able to write correctly, then it also correct your writing. Okay, so it also helps you. I don't have any digital writer, so sorry for that. You can write it here. You can also insert text here. Okay, and if you want to insert sticky notes, then also you can insert the sticky notes here, as we usually used in the classroom. Okay, click on the sticky notes, select anyone, and it will be inserted. And similarly, if you want to insert any figure, any picture, then you can also insert the picture too. Okay, yes. And as I already said, that we can share this whiteboard with our learners. To share it with your learners, you just click on the share button, share link on, and what you have to do is you copy the link and paste in the group. Especially if your learners are on the team, then you share this link on the team, and if you are using any WhatsApp group or any other group, email, etc., then you simply share the link and they will be able to write it here, and this will be a collaborative space between teacher and learners. So this is very beautiful application for the teachers who are teaching online and they want to search or use any beautiful tool. So hopefully this will help you. Thank you so much.